Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to interact with dialog boxes. More specifically, we'll look at the tab key as a way to move between individual items within a dialog box. So let's get started. We're going to open up Excel here and we'll briefly discuss the idea of dialog boxes, just so that we're all on the same page. A dialog box is essentially a pop-up menu or a prompt that Excel or Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint will give you when you ask for some action. One example here is if you want to format your cells. Another dialog box would be if you had made changes to an Excel document and you try to close that, a dialog box would ask you whether or not you want to save those changes. You could say save, don't save, cancel, or X, which would exit out of this choice. I'm going to hit cancel. Another common dialog box would be if you were to come into Excel and try to delete a sheet that you've made changes to. Excel may prompt you telling you that you can't undo certain actions, such as deleting a sheet. So if you were to say delete, it would be permanent. Now, when you have a dialog box, you might just have a very simple dialog box where you are asked whether or not you want to save it. You can use your arrow keys to move individually between these choices, or you can use your tab key. We're going to say cancel. It can be more efficient when you're using a dialog box with several options to use the tab key. Tab key will often move from left to right and then from top to bottom. And then once you've made your choices, you can hit OK. So the alternative to using the tab key when you're in a dialog box is, of course, to use your cursor. Sometimes I find that this is more efficient just based on what you're trying to do. So in our next video, we'll look at using the Shift Tab key board combination in order to move in the opposite direction, that of right to left or from bottom to top. So check that out in our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.